What's up, guys? Today it's my last video on my own that I will do. So I will do a 9 or 5-minute video. So today I will do a video because it's my last video. And my first thing, I don't know what I will do about a video. Nathan will sing it better. So today I will do a video. It's called Spinner versus Fidget Cube. I got it today, my fidget cube, and it's really awesome. Here you can do like that, and it's really fun. Here you can open the light and close it. Here you turn it, and here is these plastic thing that you like if you buy a fragile thing, that it will be like a little whatever, but there's little bubbles and plastic, so you will use that to break them. It's like make the same sound here. So, and it's that, and the fidget spinner. There's another thing. You can do like that. You take the control. You can do like that at the same time. So here's the fidget spinner. The fidget spinner is a new thing that he invented in 2017, and it's really fun to play with it. And you can put it on, I'll try to. You can put it on whatever you want, like here. Oh, wait, I can do something. Wait, I will do it right here. It's really fun. And the fidget spinner, you can take all these things, and then there's nothing. Then you just spin it, let it go less faster. And the fidget spinner is the best one. I like it more because the fidget spinner goes there's more people that there is, but the fidget cube, there's less people that use it because it's brand new, and it's really fun. But I would say that one will be more fun. But I still like the two of them. My favorite one here is the thing that you do like that, and if you do like the little things here, and you put the light, and if you're not nice at home, take the light, and you don't stop doing like that. But the fidget cube, you just do this, and it's fun. And but that is my last video in Nathan's channel, and in June or maybe next week I will have my YouTube channel. So still give me names for my YouTube channel, and I will be I'll do a video on my YouTube channel that all of the name that you gave me, and I'll choose one. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, click on the bell to I don't remember what it means, but whatever. And please subscribe and unicorn cupcake with Zoe, and please subscribe to a lot of YouTube channels. It's really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all what I have to say to. But I have still 40 seconds that I can do things that I can say. So I really enjoyed it to do videos, and it's all of that I wanted to say. And thanks for watching. It's all of that I have to say. 3, 2,